Hey, what is up all you do-it-yourselfers? My name is Dylan Taylor and this is Dylan's DIY Workshop. And today I'm going to be showing you how to create a quick, easy, and free method to store your small dowel or brass rods, metal rods, like this. So for me, these rods have literally been laying on this table since I bought them probably almost a year ago. This part of my workbench has never been clean and I'm in the process of trying to get it clean. So the first thing I thought of was something that would be a shelf that they could lay flat like this. However, I've decided that I want them to stand up and against the wall, and I'm thinking over here would be a really good spot to put them. So I'm okay if they stand up and they're touching the workbench here. I can deal with that. However, I think it'd be better if they actually sat on something else. So what I'm going to do is have a shelf here and some kind of ring hold them all in place. I do also want a gap here so that if you were to put a short piece in, you'd still be able to wiggle it out. I have this old shopvac tube right here. It's shortened already. This is a regular one. I had to cut a piece off so that I could attach it, dust extraction to my bandsaw. It's just in here. It's so that the end of the shopvac hose actually fits snugly into it. So I actually just pulled this tube out of the recycle, and I think that's going to get mounted on the wall right here. Just going to drill a hole in the top of this tube. Also going to take and do that to the bottom as well. Come back up to the wall, and I'm going to use two little screws, one in the top and one in the bottom, to hold this in. I think it would be perfect if they would sit right here so that you could grab them out of the top, and then also they wouldn't be touching the workbench. So I've got this piece right here, scrap piece of ash that's going to work perfectly, and that is going to be the little platform that our pieces can sit on at the bottom of this tube. And beautiful. Now we have a spot for all of our brass dowels to stand straight up and down, and perfect. I think in the future I might redo this. I might take this tube and make it a bit shorter so that I can put shorter lengths in, maybe almost like a ring down here and a ring up top. Then I can put shorter lengths like this in there. Alright everyone, that is going to be it for this video. Thank you so much for watching. I hope you guys enjoyed. Maybe grabbed an idea or two. And a huge thank you to all of my Patreon supporters for allowing me to keep creating videos and keep making videos the way that I do. Thank you guys so much. A special thank you to Randy, Robinbird, and Mike Maxwell, the top tier Patreon supporters. If anyone else wants to help support me on Patreon, there will be a link in the description of the video to do that, or also up in the top corner of the screen. And I will see you guys all next time. I make videos for this channel every Tuesday and Friday, so they will be up at 5 p.m. Eastern Standard Time, so into that. If you want to subscribe, go ahead. If not, come back when you feel like it. Thank you guys so much for watching. If you guys are new, please subscribe. If you already subscribed, please share this video with a friend. And as always, if you enjoyed the video, give it a big old thumbs up. We'll see you guys all next time. Peace out.